how I got my unwilling husband to cook with me for the very first time in the kitchen after 9 good years of togetherness, and he even helped me sort some dishes out in the kitchen and we eat together as a family. Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. Hope you guys are doing fine. If it's the first time here, my name is called Temi. In today's video, I'm going to be 100% real with you guys. This month is going to be our 9 good years of togetherness and 5 years of marriage. But this man will never enter kitchen with me. I don't know what happened. No matter how I bring it out, it will never work. But I'm going to share with you guys how I managed to get into the kitchen today. When I was in the room, it came to me that what are they having for lunch? I was like, there is rice in the fridge. He said he don't want to eat rice, that he needs something else. So I brought out the idea of yam and egg, but in making it in different way that everybody will love it. So I have to go to African store to go and get yam and plantain. Me coming back home, I was like, there are lots of work for me today and I will still be going to work that very night. So I was telling him that if you are not going to give me some help, like some helping hand, I'm not going to prepare this food. I bet you, because I was so hungry. Because I was doing laundry and I was folding clothes, I was arranging the kids' room, arranging my room, but it was cleaning the sitting room. So I was like, I need some help. If you're not helping me in the kitchen today, I'm not making anything. Is either you go and take the rice and we eat it together. He knows that every Saturday I do prepare special food for the family because that is when everybody are at home. That is where all the family are complete, you know. During the weeks we go to work, everybody go to their ways, go to the school, around the school area, something like that. Although I do go to work on Saturday and Sunday, but that will be in the night. So during the day I do make everything possible for us to enjoy together as a family. So he knows that Saturday food are always special. So it was like, then what do you want me to do? So I told him that just come and help me in the kitchen, please. I need some help. So he started cutting the yam. I was like, this man really do it. First time in the history. So I was trying my efforts to do everything faster as I can so that everybody are going to eat in time while I get everything done and get ready for work. So after he washed the yam and I saw him washing the plate, I was like, I will not say anything. And he was on call. He can wash that plate for 1 hour or 1 hour plus when he's on call. I did not make any sound. I did not say anything. I know he will say, can you just please do finish? Let me see what I'm doing so that I can pass. I did not say anything. I just let him be there. As in, let him just do what he wants to do. Like, there is no woman that not like when the men are in the kitchen with them, being it boyfriend, being it fiancé, husband, there is no woman who doesn't like it. Sincerely speaking, when I told him to come and help me, I thought he would say I am tired as normal answer to my questions every time. It doesn't mean that you should come to wash dishes with us. It doesn't mean that you should come and be cooking with us. You can just sit down in the kitchen. Like, do you need my help? Should I help you to peel Maggie? Do you need me to come and do anything? We know that we don't need your help because you cannot cook. Then we've already known that you cannot cook. So just for you to just be there in the kitchen with us, like that atmosphere, I don't know if I'm the only woman who always feel it. Let me quickly say this, in case maybe you've already married or you're planning to marry. Marriage is not hard, but it requires a lot of work, as in a lot of endurance, a lot of understanding, a lot of patience. And being selfishless, because if you are selfish, you'll be thinking of what it can favor only you and you won't think of your partner. You just want to focus on what it can be benefit for you only and forget about your partner. Like, marriage is not, oh God, it's not for faints. If you are not ready, don't try it. Like, sometimes I do ask myself how my mother do it, being a wife and a mother to us. Like, kudos to all mothers. It's not easy. Men are trying. Kudos to you guys, the responsible ones too. You guys are really trying. Look at this man. It's his brother. Anytime we are cooking in the kitchen, he always finds something to put in his stomach and be disturbing everybody. I saw one video on Facebook recently when one woman was saying, if you're married for 7 years and above, and you have never for once think about quitting. She said we should come and ask you some questions. That how do you do it? The same question I'm asking here, if you're married for more than 10 years and you are still with your man or your woman, how do you do it? Be it man, be it woman, how are you guys coping? Let me say it raw, like 100% raw. There will be some level in your marriage, where you feel like, am I really on the right path? After how many children, you now ask yourself that question, like, how did I that find myself here? What am I doing here? But we don't have a good partner around you, a good friends, a good family, like good partner, good husband, good wife. You must give up on the marriage. That is why you have to be very, very, very careful with people you are making friends with people you are going out with people who you are listening to. And you have to be mindful of the advice they will be giving to you when you and your partner have some issue. Because there is no marriage without zigzag, but the people you share your zigzag with matters a lot. Because they will really advise you on what to favor you, what please your ear in that moment. Let me give you this raw truth that nobody will tell you. Before you step your leg into any relationship, if you see that your partner did not have anybody they are listening to, don't dare, as in don't try to put your leg in that relationship. Because when you guys have bad goals, when he's not going to listen to you, or when she is not going to listen to you, that is the person you go and meet. And if the person not have who you can report to, hey, you are on your own or your capital. So when you have a hobby that don't like to enter kitchen like my own, always ask for help. Always let them know that it's not easy for you. Always carry them along. Let them know what you are still going to do, so that they might render help. Because I really don't understand whereby husband and wife are staying in the same house and you can't render help. Like what is it? Haven't you guys done enough? So I was trying to put some sauce that I made for my yam before. Like this sauce was so, it make all the entire food so yummy. So I put my egg and we get the food ready. See, if I say I want to cook, I will always sit down, relax myself and cook that food like to my satisfaction, especially when I'm in good mood. When I'm not in bad mood, I always give it like 100%. Yeah. Oh my goodness. Let me leave you guys to watch the remaining video, and we are done cooking. I'm going to arrange everything on the table, on the dining table where we are going to eat. That is all the what's it called, all the yam that we cook. After you finish washing the dishes, you go to the sitting room and sit down. See, throughout that day I pamper him, telling him thank you, thank you, thank you. I want to ask this question: why is it that every time women prepare food, we are the last person to sit down and eat? Every time I make food, I always be the last person to sit down and eat. Is it that I will be waiting for them, or I will surely be the last person to eat Nisha every time? Is it really happening like that? So this is my egg sauce. Like, sincerely speaking, I fried plantain, I cooked the yam. Although you put salt in, you could, let me say, you cook the yam, because we'll say why we put the seasoning, it's when we cook the food. So, and this is the outcome of my egg, and everybody eats. So let me leave you guys to watch the remaining one. I'll be with you guys this thing. You please, if you subscribe to my channel, please do so. Subscribe to my channel, help me to share my videos out, turn on your notification bell, and I'm going to see you guys in my next video. Thank you and God bless you. See you guys later.